Westgate Lakes Resort and Spa, situated in Orlando's Universe Studios area, is a sprawling family property offering a mix of vacation villas and hotel-style accommodations. This lakeside retreat boasts 7 heated outdoor pools, a lazy river water slides, and the Treasure Cove Water Park, making it a hit for kids and relaxation seekers. Guests can enjoy complimentary shuttle service to Universal Orlando Resort, Disney World and SeaWorld, plus on-site activities like mini golf, paddle boats, tennis courts, and a full-service spa with massages and facials. The resort's location near Pointe Orlando and the Orange County Convention Center adds convenience for theme park hops and shopping. Ooh. Accommodations range from studios to multi-bedroom villas with full kitchens, washers, dryers, and balconies, ideal for extended stays or groups. Rooms are spacious and equipped with modern amenities, though some visitors report dated decor or maintenance issues like slow Wi-Fi or plumbing glitches. Cleanliness varies, with praise for daily housekeeping but occasional complaints about odors or bugs. Service is generally attentive, with friendly staff and golf cart shuttles navigating the vast grounds. However, aggressive timeshare sales pitches can feel intrusive, often tied to discounted stays, dining out in invite. Trev Sports Bar and Grill for casual eats, it's bistro for breakfast and poolside bars, though food quality receives mixed feedback. Tasty but overpriced. With a 3.5 out of 5 rating on TripAdvisor from over 10,000 reviews, the resort shines in value and amenities for budget-conscious families, despite extra fees for Parco resort activities and wine